Solved problem. Statement of comprehensive income and balance sheet. Problem. You are provided with the following pre-adjustment trial balance for Wendy for the year ended 30th June 2022. Capital credit 1,500,000. Drawings debit 27,500. Land and buildings debit 1 million. Equipment 600,000. Accumulated depreciation on equipment credit 60,000. Inventory 1st July 2021 90,000. Accounts receivable 85,000 debit. Provision for doubtful debts 6,500 credit. Bank 555,210. Fixed deposits Batliboi Bank 10% per annum 350,000 debit. Long term loan Cocomilan Bank 15% per annum 250,000 credit. Accounts payable 103,500. Sales 960,000. Purchases 500,000 debit. Purchase returns 6,000 credit. Rates 19,700 debit. Telephone 11,750 debit. Insurance 26,000 debit. Rent income 454,000 credit. Bad debts recovered 6,000 credit. Carriage inwards 4,500 debit. Printing material 6,340 debit. Bad debts 3,000 debit. Salary 67,000 debit. Total debits 3,346,000. Total credits 3,346,000. Additional information 1. The interest in the fixed deposit for the year has not yet been received. 2. The interest on the long-term loan has not yet been paid. 3. Printing material on hand at 30th June 2022 was 3,000. 4. Inventory on hand 30th June 2022 was 60,000. 5. A bad debt of 500 must be written off and the provision for doubtful debt must be adjusted to 10% of good debts. 6. Insurance for 13 months have been paid, that is for the period 1st July 21 to 30th July 22. 7. Rent income for July 22 8,000 has been received during June 2022. 8. Depreciation on equipment at 20%, diminishing balance method must still be provided for. 9. Depreciation on buildings at 5%, straight line method must still be provided. The cost of the land is 200,000. Required. Prepare statement of comprehensive income of Wendy for the year June 30th June and a balance sheet. Solution. Statement of profit and loss account for the year ended 31st December 2021. Sales 960,000. Revenue 960,000. Less cost of goods sold. Inventory 90,000. Purchases 500,000. Less purchase returns minus 6,000. Add carriage inwards 4,500. Printing material 6,340. Less printing material closing stock 3,000. Inventory closing stock minus 60,000. Cost of goods sold 531,840. Gross profit 428,160. Add other income. Rent income 454,000. Bad debts recovered 6,000. Interest on fixed deposits 35,000. Income from operations 923,160. Income from operations 923,160. Less admin expenses. Salary 67,000. Depreciation on equipment 108,000. Depreciation on buildings 40,000. Rates were 19,700. Telephones 11,750. Insurance 26,000. Less prepaid 14,000. Net insurance 12,000. Bad debts 3,000. Add bad debts 500. Add provision 8,450 minus 6,500 1950. Interest on loan 37,500. Total admin expenses 301,400. Net profit 621,706. Statement of financial performance as on 31st December 2021. Assets, current assets, bank 555,210. Accounts receivable 85,000. Less bad debts 500. Net 84,500. Less provision for bad debts at 10% 8,450. Net receivable 76,050. Prepaid insurance 14,000. Interest on fixed deposits due 35,000. Inventory closing stock 60,000. Printing material on hand 3,000. Total current assets 743,260. Non-current assets land 200,000. Buildings 800,000. Accumulated depreciation buildings 40,000. Net 760,000. Equipment 600,000. Accumulated depreciation on building 60,000. Net diminishing value of the equipment 540,000. Depreciation for the year 108,000. Net cost of equipment is 432,000. Fixed deposit 10%, 350,000. Total non-current assets 1,742,000. Total assets 2,485,260. Liabilities. Current liabilities. Accounts payable 103,500. Interest on long-term loan due 37,500. Total current liabilities 141,000. Non-current liabilities. Long-term loan Cocomilan Bank 250,000. Total non-current liabilities 250,000. Total liabilities 391,000. Total owner's equity capital 1.5 million. Less drawings 27,500. Add profit 621,760. Total owner's equity 209,460. Total liability and owner's equity 2,485,260. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.